Hello everybody, welcome back to Buck Does It. This is part 11 of the Cruda rust updates. This might be the I shouldn't say the last, but this will be the ending of it for a little while, because the engine for the Buck should be back here this week. So let's get at it. All right, I got this part of the roof sanded down here and got this prepped for paint. Then I can go and I got the moldings all cleaned up, ready to go in here. We'll get those on. We'll get this painted, let it dry, and probably tomorrow or whatever we'll put the moldings on, or maybe even later today. I don't know yet. I want to get the whole roof in paint because it may have to go outside here for a couple weeks. I did get this side pretty much bondoed up. It's she's a little lumpy here and there, but should be fine. And we get that sanded down, and we get this whole roof painted all the way back through here. I get all this bare metal covered up, so when she does go outside, at least that will be, won't flash rust. I'll give you a bird's eye view. Well, I'm glad I got it inside in time before it got too wet. I had a couple of drops I had to wipe off, but I got her in. But I got this painted up in the meantime while I was outside. So I want to put one more coat on here. You can make sure it all dried up. There's some water on there. And make sure that's all dry. I'll put another coat on there, and then when that dries, I'll put these moldings and stuff back in. And then they'll be ready to go. Yeah, I got the moldings all cleaned up and ready to go on. So I don't have to worry about damaging them once they're on the car. More progress. I got the molding back on, so the inside and all the 4 pieces done. Looks pretty good. Black's looking pretty good too. I got a couple little doop-de-doos over there, but otherwise the black covers it. I still have to do from here over. See how froggy I get this week. Got some high spots here. I don't know what I'm going to do there yet. I found another dent over in here next to the window, so when the window comes out we can straighten all this stuff around here yet too. But I was going to worry about that later. Thinking about some of that stuff I could do next winter. We'll see. Doing a little cleanup on the window here, trying to get all this tape off of here. Then I'll clean this paint off of here too and shine things up. It'll make this corner look pretty good. But I don't know how long that tape has been on there. Well, I think I could save this sticker. I was scraping with a piece of wood. National Hot Rod Association Championship Drag Racing. That's an old sticker, huh? Found another sticker under there. Looks like the Chrysler Classic 1999. And this sticker here, everything's wore off of it, so I'm just going to scrape that off. But I'm going to keep that on there. That looks pretty cool. I like that old stuff. Alright, there's the final product. It's somewhat cleaned up. I got the paint off of there. Kept that sticker. Got a little paint back inside there yet, but it's coming back. Not too shabby. I must say so myself. Well, check it out. It's back outside again, and got the trunk cleaned off. Just preparing for the engine return of the Buck there. I gotta get this prepared to go back. I'll go outside and the tarp over it. But I got some self-etching primer on all the bare metal. Give you a bird's eye view here. and put some more Bondo over in here and over in there. So what it is what it is and what it shall be. So I'm gonna get out here with the 220 and go over it, wipe it down, and I was at Lowe's yesterday, got me some black paint. Because thanks to this wonderful community, they helped me out and told me that the primer is porous, and this stuff here is paint and primer, but I don't trust it, so I'm going to just put paint on it. I can always grind her back off, right? And but probably won't, because you know it's the Cruda, and really digging how this window came out. We'll leave that down so so I don't get much paint on there. And I was thinking, man, why'd you tape off the rear window? There's so much paint and ugliness in there. And I thought, well, that's just less paint I have to remove later on. So that's where we're at this morning anyway. But I have it outside so we can get all the paint fumes out here and all the dust down here. Well, there we go. We got some paint on the roof. I took all the tape and stuff off. Give you a bird's eye view. She's crude. A lot of new dents I found up in here, and back window's looking worse and worse every time I look at it. But we'll get it. We got the front window, we get the back window. That's actually a smaller area to deal with. I just wanted to get paint on there so when it goes outside, doesn't rust up again. I think it's looking pretty good though. And the side windows look pretty cool. There's also some stickers back here, but I don't think I'm going to be able to keep any of those. I'm going to try to keep this one. I don't know what it is, some Trail Raceway. This one's all chewed up anyway. And then we have another Summit sticker over here that's like the one on the side here. So maybe this one's a whole lot better. Maybe I can just keep, no, that one's all wrinkled up on the end. Rather than keep that one. That one's really bad, but it shows its age. Yeah, we'll see. All right, I felt a little froggy and got rid of a lot of the tape and stuff off of there. I did get this sticker here, National Trail Raceway, Division of NHRA. Up here it says class winner, but there's still glue on here. I've been trying to save this sticker. That's the only one I can save out of all of them. And that one over there. But I did get that cleaned up there. We got some other things happening here. Got to put the door on to get it out of the way, and I'll show you what we got coming up here next. So it's right back here. Yes, that's my 455 block. I just got it back today, so we'll be all the concentration will be on that, and we'll put this in limbo for a while, and we'll take it from there. You know, I'm just glad I got done what I got done until that thing came back, you know. So with that, we'll end the video here. Next videos you see will be on the Buck and the 455 and all that stuff. As long as everything goes well, I should have it together and take it to the No-Name Nationals, and we'll see you all there. But for now, I just gotta sit, concentrate on that, and then when I'm in limbo, I'll jump back on here every now and then. With that, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Found my bell. Ring the bell if you want to be notified. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya. Say hello.